three reasons why I am using this high bay light in my garage, in my warehouses. See, this is my sixth light. See, I'm going to use in my garage. This is very durable light. See, and this comes with the US hook. See, I can fix this light and hang this light on the roof too using this hook, or I can even hang this light on the wall using this cable. See, company provided, and this comes with 5 feet cable, very durable cable this is. And this light is 240-watt light, 5700K and 30,000 LM light this is. And this is white LED light. See, and here is a hook, so I can, using this hook, I can install this light on the roof. See, this way. See, very easy to install. I show you. See, very easy to install. And if I want to hang this on any wall, then I can use this cable and I can hang this on any wall. See, this way I show you. And this is the 5-foot cable, and this is white color LED light. See, this is for warehouses, garage and bay. See, and I show you the light now. See, and this is a waterproof light, and the body of this light is made of a metal, very durable light this is. See, metal body, very attractive. See, I show you, and very durable light this is. See, and this is my sixth piece I'm going to install in my garage. I'm very happy with the product quality. Now I'm going to show you how this looks. Okay, this way, when I hang this on the, see, when I hang this here, let me hang this. Okay, see, this way I can hang. See? This way I can hang on the wall or roof, or I can also directly place this on the roof using the US hook. I show you how this works. And this is dimmable light. Here is this see, these are the cables, so I can use any dimmer, then I can like fix dimmer, and then I can dim the light through that dimmer, that rotating switch. See? Now I show you how this I can hang on the, okay, let's see. See, this way I can hang on any roof too, this way. See, now I show you how this works. Very good quality light this is, a very good high beam white light this produce. See, and very good durable, good quality product this is. See, I show you all around now nearby. See, this is the light, and this is a sixth piece I am going to install in my storage place. See, very good quality this is, and very helpful light for warehouses, and produce very good quality white LED light. And this little bit warm, but this is very durable light with the 240 watt LED light this is. See, this is 200, and this is plug and play. See, no need to use and no need to have any type of tough installation, just plug and play. And this wire is 5 feet long wire, and this is the cable company provided. I can install this on any wall or roof, or I can install on my roof too using the, I show you, see, using this wall, this roof hook. See, this is US roof hook, and I am very happy with the product quality. This is very durable light, very good quality, and see, and see, very good quality white light this produce, and good for warehouses, garage and mechanic shops too. I recommend this light, and this is my sixth piece I am going to install in my warehouse.